At Bedfont, we design, research and manufacture breath analysis medical devices, which can now be found in over 75 countries worldwide.
We have several product ranges of breath analyzers, including Smokalyzer, that helps people stop smoking.
The Gastrolyzer range aids in the detection of gastrointestinal disorders and food intolerances, such as IBS.
The Nigropheno monitor aids in the diagnosis of asthma, as well as monitor and manage patient symptoms.
The Toxco is used by the emergency services to mass screen for carbon monoxide poisoning quickly and non-invasively, reducing hospital admissions and saving lives.
We're a second-generation family business. My father became CEO and I succeeded him recently as the managing director. My brother Andy recently became sales director, and I even work with my wife and my sister-in-law. But that's only one part of the Bedfont family. We wouldn't be where we are today without our dedicated employees and network of distributors. Bedfont were established in 1976 when there were only 2 employees. Nowadays, we've got 41 direct employees and over 75 distributors worldwide, which make up the Bedfont family.
Exports accounts for about 80% of our £5 million turnover. We've successfully expanded into new territories such as Africa, and we continue to grow stronger in our existing ones. We export into every single continent, and we've even found our products being used in remote areas such as the Maldives.
We recently signed a 3-year OEM deal with a large international company to provide our own branded version of the Gastrolyzer products. Their sales network has opened new markets for us that we couldn't previously access due to our size and the resources required. We regard our staff very highly. We're not just a business, we are the Bedfont family. Each member plays a vital role in the success of our company, and it's because of them that we are here today.
We raise our company's profile through exhibitions, press releases and social media, but we also communicate directly with customers and end users to raise brand and product awareness. We use social media to show people who the Bedfont family are, and that when we say our family innovating health for yours, we mean it.
Innovation's key. We invest in research and development to continually improve our products. We create new ones and even tailor them to specific market needs. For example, we created the Pico Baby Smokalyzer. This was for Europe after midwives wanted a tailored product to help mums-to-be quit smoking.
Through our multilingual sales team and yearly distributor meetings, we're actually able to communicate effectively with our distributors, who we actually regard as an extension of the Bedfont family.
Why vote for us? Because every individual of the Bedfont family works tirelessly to raise awareness about breath analysis and how our products really do save lives. Because we're a multi-award-winning company and we're proud of what we do. And because our aim for the future is to continue innovating and improving health worldwide. Vote for us! Please help us to make a difference and vote for the Bedfont family. We'd be so proud to represent the UK.